Thermal runaway is when the battery is compromised and it starts to burn from the inside. Some of these teams try to optimize or target this specifically to disable their other opponent by using flames or puncturing type materials to try to go after their batteries. A very popular team, Minotaur, what they do is they wrap their batteries in fiberglass bags and then stuff that into the robot to try to eliminate this. So sometimes if you see on the TV show and you see Minotaur just smoking up a storm, it's because their batteries are actually in thermal runaway, but they are still able to compete because of the precautions they've made in order to prevent this thermal runaway from destroying their robots.